a big fan, look like Titanic fan. This fan had broken, then maybe to try to restore it and turn to over on board and then restore it. Here four people try to and hard work to turn up to board. It's very hard work to turn up. You can learn who have board and can follow this program and can learn it which way do this up to a board. Here four people to try and here is one rickshaw man you can follow. He can carry these boat people are carry on this Shitolokha river side and try to I think we don't know this work because I already to look first time. Here is so many sent board, but this today I just follow this work and you can follow and watch, feel enjoy, and you have no board, no send board. You can just follow, watch and enjoy. Who have board, he can just learn about this because you sometime you maybe to need will be need this work. Then you can know, don't know, you don't have this. And everybody enjoy and subscribe my channel and like, comment. It's maybe help for me because you don't put like and maybe I can stop all our Facebook and YouTube channel because it's my time wastage always because I am artist. I will be again start already I draw always picture, but maybe my work is smoothly because it's no need to about working this Facebook and network. It's very hard and so many people already give me so many like, but I don't know where this gun and time maybe I think is counting is not fair because my Facebook site of so many time already wasted. Thanks for everybody and everybody can pay to me. Thanks everybody again.